The BK Beauty sale is going on from July 3rd to July 8th here in the YouTube shop. Make sure that you use code YT20 for 20% off. And let me go ahead and give you some recommendations for brushes while I'm at it. This is the BK Beauty Angie Hot and Flashy A505 brush. If you like glitter, shimmer, or pretty much any eyeshadow on your lid at all, you will love this. It picks up the product amazingly well, disperses it on the eye with no fallout, but maximum impact. The Nikki LaRose and BK Beauty N15 brush does it all. Contour, blush, bronzer, setting powder, you name it, this brush will do it. If you've never bought yourself an amazing face brush before, might I recommend this one. The Nikki LaRose BK Beauty N12 brush gets used every single time I do my makeup, no matter what. It applies lower lash line, eyeshadow, and outer corner eyeshadow perfectly, which if you have hooded or smaller eyes is kind of a crucial step in your makeup routine, and this will change your life. Lastly, the BK Beauty Angie Hot and Flashy A504 is one of the best detail brushes on the market. It really does take the guesswork out of your next smoky eye. Which brushes are you thinking about picking up? Leave a comment down below.